Dr. Marjan Assefi, CEO of Marie Curie Science Research Center, said, "Have you ever wondered about the global impact of Ebola and the urgent need for effective vaccines? The world has witnessed several outbreaks of this deadly virus, starting in remote villages in Central Africa, near tropical rainforests, and spreading far beyond to other continents. The first Ebola outbreak occurred in 1976 in two simultaneous epidemics in Nzara, Sudan, and in Yambuku, Democratic Republic of Congo. The latter occurred in a village near the Ebola River, from which the disease takes its name. These initial outbreaks set the stage for a relentless battle against this deadly virus. As years passed, more outbreaks emerged in different regions of Sudan, Uganda, and Western Africa. These outbreaks highlighted the inadequacies and restrictions of pre-designed vaccines in the battle against Ebola virus disease, or EVD. It also accentuated the urgent need for the development of a systematic protocol to produce Ebola vaccines prior to an outbreak. Scientists and researchers around the world took up the challenge, and several vaccines started to be developed. The range of vaccines includes virus-like particle-based vaccines, DNA-based vaccines, and whole virus recombinant vaccines. In addition, there are incompetent replication-originated vaccines and competent replication vaccines. Each of these types has undergone preclinical trials and human-based clinical trials to test their efficacy. However, the journey towards an effective vaccine is not without obstacles. One of the major challenges in Ebola vaccine development is selecting immunogenic, rapid-responsive, cross-protective immunity-based vaccines. These vaccines must provide assurances of prolonged protection to be truly effective in combating the virus. Another hurdle lies in the manufacturing and distribution of the vaccines. Post-authorization, licensing, and surveillance are crucial to ensure a vaccine's efficacy towards combating an Ebola outbreak. These processes ensure that the vaccines meet the highest quality standards and are safe for use. Today, the development process for an Ebola vaccine continues, and the perspective on its development is more focused than ever. Scientists and researchers like Dr. Marjan Assefi, CEO of Marie Curie Science Research Center, are tirelessly working towards this goal. They are identifying and addressing the challenges that lie ahead in the quest for an effective Ebola vaccine. To summarize, the global outbreaks of Ebola have highlighted the urgent need for effective vaccines. From the initial outbreaks to the current state of vaccine development, the journey has been filled with challenges and triumphs. It is clear that developing an effective Ebola vaccine is of paramount importance. The efforts of scientists and researchers worldwide are testament to this. The fight against Ebola continues, and with it, the hope for a world free from this deadly virus.